that we have completed our modeling and our other workflows, it is important that we make this work usable and accessible to other users, since collaboration is often at the heart of what makes Sparkflows great. To do this, we will be using our reporting tools and our analytical apps. Let's start with our reports. Reports are a way for us to collect all of the visualizations that we created along the way into one place, thus making them more accessible to both us in the future and for other users. We can add different visualizations from different workflows to every single report. Here we have collected all of the visualizations from our EDA workflow that we looked at earlier. We can also create different tabs or sheets to make it easier to understand and to organize our graphs and other visualizations. Next, we can take a look at our model valuation visualizations. These are the same visualizations that we looked at in our previous videos, but now collected into a single place. We can also combine the visualizations from various workflows into a single report. In this way, we can summarize multiple workflows and multiple types of analysis and make them accessible in one easy place. Next, let's take a look at our analytical apps. Analytical apps focus on making workflows usable to a wider audience. They provide a UI for which other users can then come in and input their specific needs to conduct the analysis that they want. Here we can see that we have added a page with some additional information to help other users use this analytical app correctly. In this step, we can select from multiple workflows that exist within the project for us to run as a user separately. We have our EDA workflow from earlier, our clustering workflow, and our cluster profiling, or our model evaluation workflow. In this step, we have added additional flexibility to our workflows by allowing users to input their own values before the workflow is run. This means that they can customize the type of evaluation that is being done to fit their specific needs. From analytical apps, users can then run workflows directly from the analytical app, and the execution will show below. Thank you for listening.